Hey friends, Tim Knox here with the Hammer and Sales team of Keller Williams Huntsville. I am at 5030 Valley Cove Drive. We're out in beautiful Owens Crossroads on a quiet cul-de-sac. We are 10 minutes from the medical district that way and just a few minutes from Hampton Cove that way. This is a 3,200 square foot house, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It is in immaculate condition and you're gonna love it. Let's take a look inside. One of the things you'll notice right away when you walk into this beautiful home is the space, the decor, and the hardwoods. As you can see, coming through the front door, here is the foyer, and right up the foyer is an office, and then we have a formal dining room. Crown molding, again, has the hardwood floors, very spacious, very large, just a really beautiful family home, and from the minute you walk in the door, you can tell the quality that you're going to find in this home. We're going to go now that way, and we're going to take a look at the kitchen and the family room. As we continue our tour through this beautiful home, it opens up into a very large great room, and the kitchen is here. I'll show you that in just a second. But this home has the much desired open floor plan. It is set up where the great room is here, the kitchen is here, there's a small breakfast nook there, and then the door out to the backyard. This is a great family home for young families in particular because there are 4 bedrooms all upstairs. Again, 3,200 square feet of livable space, and downstairs is perfect for entertaining. Again, as you come in the foyer, there's a wonderful office space, the formal dining room, and then as you pass through, we get to the large great room and the kitchen, which is gorgeous. I'm going to show you that right now. Granite countertops, man, this is a beautiful kitchen. You're going to love it. You know, I talk about this in every video I do. My favorite room in the house is the kitchen. And in this house, there's no exception. As you can see here, we've got the dark granite countertops, the matching appliances, the cabinetry, beautiful hardwoods. Everything is just in perfect condition here. And then on this side, you have the bar island. And I mentioned the open floor plan to this home. And you can see the kitchen opens into the great room. I'm just gonna put it around like that. There is a gas log fireplace there. So you can see what a large open space this is. And again, the way this home is designed is for the young family. Mom and dad can be in the kitchen because you know the kids aren't going to be in the kitchen, but the kids could be in the family room. The back door to the backyard is right here. Just a really well thought out floor plan. And that's another thing I love about this house. 3,200 square feet, and there's no wasted space. They have made perfect use of every square foot of this house. But just take a look at this kitchen, ladies, and you too, guys. I know some of you like to cook. It is very large, very open. I'm going to back up this so you can see it in full. And just a really wonderful kitchen for preparing the meals, entertaining. And behind me here, I'll turn the camera around so you can see it, is a breakfast nook and the door going out to the backyard. I am in the master bedroom of this large home. As I mentioned before, all the bedrooms are upstairs. There are 4 really good sized bedrooms. The master itself is 20 by 18, but there's also a 5th room. You could use it as a bonus room, or you could use it as a 5th bedroom. And watch the video, you'll see the layout of this. And again, one thing that's very impressive about this house is the use of space. They have not wasted a bit of space. There is a ton of storage. And watch the video as I come up the stairs. You're going to see all the bedrooms. Notice the size on those bedrooms. Just looking here, 14 by 12, 14 by 12, 15 by 11. The bonus room is 12 by 11. So it is the smallest. So good size. Again, this is going to be the master. It's got the tray ceilings. You can see the lighting up above the ceiling fan. Again, all the rooms of this house have crown molding, beautifully appointed. And right off the master is a little hallway here with 2 walk-in closets and the master bath. I mentioned the amount of storage space in this house. One thing you'll notice about all of the bedrooms, they have double closets. Now, of course, the master has double walk-ins, but this is just one of the bedrooms. But check this out. Lots of storage space. And again, there are 4 bedrooms in this house and a bonus room that could be used as a 5th bedroom, but all of the formal bedrooms have the large double closets that you can just, it'll hold a ton of stuff. Again, if you've got kids, teenagers, anyone with a lot of stuff that they want to stuff into a closet, this is the house to do it. All the bedrooms, lots of storage, and yeah, stuff. Stuff is good. So that completes the tour. Let me do a quick review. Let me get my glasses on here. This house again is 5030 Valley Cove Drive. Again, we are in Owens Crossroads, which is just across the mountain. If you're coming from the medical district over the mountain, it literally is about 10 minutes out, not far at all. Just a nice little drive. The wonderful thing about this area, Owens Crossroads is grown. Everything you could possibly need is here. We are literally minutes away from shopping, restaurants. Again, Hampton Cove is just a couple of minutes that way, and we're a 10-minute drive from the medical district. Let me review here. I don't want to miss anything. This is 3,220 square feet. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, with a, let's see, it is a 2-story, 3/4 brick sitting on a slab, fully complete gourmet kitchen, a fireplace with gas logs. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Again, this would be a perfect home for a young growing family where mom and dad want to be near the kids. All 3 of those bedrooms are upstairs. A beautiful lot. We're about 1/5 of an acre here, but it is privacy fenced. There are residential areas all around, more going in. This is a very quickly growing area. As you know, Huntsville doesn't have many ways to grow, so everything is moving in this direction. So really, you're convenient to everything while you're here. A lot of space, again, a large, great room, the gourmet kitchen, just an all-around great house. Let me talk about the location for just a minute. We are on Valley Cove Drive, which is a cul-de-sac, And this is very much a family cul-de-sac, if you will. I noticed the other day when I was here, lots of kids, lots of families. So this is the perfect family house. As far as school districts go, this is the new Goldsmith Schiffman Elementary, Hampton Cove Middle, and Huntsville High. So looking over my notes, we are competitively priced here at $259, and I think if you look at the square footage price, we are actually a little under what is average in the neighborhood. And this is one of the larger homes at 3,200 square feet. So come on out and take a look. This home is fully appointed. It is a luxurious executive home, and you've just got to see it to believe it. It really is a beautiful area. Again, quiet cul-de-sac. You don't hear anything, folks. Fenced in yard for the kids, and we are convenient to school and shopping. So I would love to show you this house in person. My telephone number is right there on the screen, or you can email me. If you are an agent, we welcome for you to come out and show your buyers this house. There is a lockbox, and come on in and take a look and let me know what you think. In the meantime, folks, my name is Tim Knox. I am on the Hammer and Sales team with Keller Williams Realty. If I can do anything for you, either list your house, help you market it for sale, or help you find your next dream home, I'd love to work with you, all right? So come on out, check it out, 5030 Valley Cove Drive in Owens Crossroads. Contact me with any questions or comments, and I'll see you soon.